What's happening, YouTube? It's your boy Miles G. I'm coming at y'all with a different video today. Something different, but still something like. Tonight, I'm finna show y'all how to make my famous hot wings. I say my famous hot wings because my hot wings ain't like nobody else's hot wings. Mine are the best. So I'm gonna give y'all my recipe. I'm gonna share that with y'all. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So y'all stay tuned. Right, YouTube, here we go right here, man. We'll get this started. Here go the chicken right here. Take y'all over here. Recipe to start off, Lawry seasoning salt. Okay? You got your McCormick Cajun, salt-free. No, this ain't salt-free. I'm thinking of a different one. This is no MSG. But anyway, you want to get McCormick Cajun, perfect pinch. And they mean what they say. You want to use a perfect pinch. Get your black pepper. Y'all already know how to use black pepper. I ain't got to tell you how to use black pepper, man. I mean, come on, man. Really, I got to tell you how to use this. You just hold it upside down. You open the one that got the hole in the middle right here. And you just pour all the black pepper in it until it's all gone. Like, really? You really going to do that? Don't do that. Just use it at moderation, however much black pepper you want. That's special sauce. Yeah, special sauce. Special seasoning. It's none other than your cayenne pepper. You want to get the ground cayenne pepper right here. Private selection. This is what I use. You got to have the hot sauce that you like. Me, I like red devil. So, when you get it started, get your chicken clean, right? Put the chicken in the strainer. You know, thaw it out. You want to thaw it out using cold water. You come over here. See my hands? Like something. You come over here, and I'm frying these wings on an electric stove. So you just gotta know how to work the temperature. This electric stove, it ain't like a gas stove, like so the flames don't get like real hot. So you don't want to put it on high. You want to put it on like 7, like in between 6 or 7. I got it on 7, but you want to put it like in between 6 or 7 when you're doing this to get it started. Let the grease get hot. My grease been hot now. I've been going hot for like 10 minutes now. So it's almost ready. So I'm about to get ready to season these bad boys up. As soon as I do, drop them in the grease, and there y'all have it. We're gonna drop the, what is this? The cayenne pepper, the ground cayenne pepper on there. See, I just did that, about that much, maybe a little bit more. Cause you gotta think, it's gotta get on both sides of the wing. Next, you got your McCormick Cajun, perfect pinch seasoning. You want to just shake it a little bit. Wop, 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 wop. Wop, wop. That's over with. Next, you got your seasoning salt. Now, seasoning salt is orange, same color as that, so you can't really tell, so you got to be real careful. Me, I know how to measure my shake, so I don't want the wings salty at all, so me, just like that. Not much at all. Barely. Flip that black pepper on there. Remember I told you, use this at your moderation, like however much you want on there. Me, I don't want very much, and this is what you do. When you get the seasoning on there, you move those things around, man. You make sure it get on all of the chicken. You want to move it around real nice and slow. And the chicken gonna tell you, like, you know, just by the look of it, it's gonna tell you if you need a little more something or something like that. And these are some pretty big party wings, by the way. I was expecting them to be a little smaller, but they're kind of big. So another thing too, when you got big party wings like this, you might want to fry them for a little longer than you normally would. Me, by the looks of this, I'm gonna throw a little bit more seasoned salt on these. Wop, wop, wop. That's it. And I'm gonna give them a little bit more cayenne. Ground pepper. Because remember, these is hot wings. You want these wings to be hot. We don't want that we don't want no mild wings. We don't want no lemon pepper. We want hot. Hot wing? You want hot wing? Oops, one of them got up away from me. I got a clean sink, so I ain't worried about that. Okay, so I'm liking the way these looking. So now, I'm about to get ready to put these in the grease. You want to follow me over? I always want to do things right. You take a plate, set the strainer on top of the plate, right? And we're going over just like this, and we're going to proceed to fry. Just like this. See? And I told you, my grease is already hot. When you let the grease warm up, that's what you're working with. Straight like that. Oh yeah, it's popping. You want to fight? Huh? You want to fight, grease? Fight, let's go. I think I'm gonna win. Look at these big old drums. You don't want to be there. Whole family eating hot wings tonight. That's how we do around here. I don't want to overdo it. You don't want to put too much in there. Probably got enough room for like 2 more to go in there. And I'll get back to y'all when the product is finished. Like I said before, man, you know, you want the temperature in between 6 and 7. I got mine between 7 and 8 because I'm frying a little more chicken. These are bigger pieces. And when you drop the chicken in, unless you have a deep fryer, you don't want to walk away from the chicken. Like if you got a deep fryer, that's the leisurely that you can do that leisurely, like walk away, because the deep fryer is made to hold a lot of chicken and grease, so it's gonna fry your chicken without you having to worry. Me, I'm doing it in a pot because I don't have a deep fryer, I don't own one. So while I'm doing it in a pot, my pot ain't that thick, it ain't that deep as a deep fryer, so I have to take a object, a utensil, something like this, and you want to like move the chicken around. And the reason why you want to do that is because frying it in a pot like this is not deep, and the chicken pieces to get stuck to the bottom of the pot. And we don't want that. We really don't want that. I forgot this thing right here is like kind of. That's what I just want to say. Finished product. You want to let these wings fry on the electric stove, what I'm working on. It took approximately like 25 minutes. On the temperature of 8. So I'm knowing with a gas stove where you got a flame, it'll probably be quicker. Probably more like 18 minutes, 17, 18 minutes, because you got a real flame. So here we go, finished product. As you can see. Don't that look good? I mean, you tell me. You looking at what I'm looking at, you tell me. And the last step, but not least, come over here. Hot wings like this, you don't want to just dump hot sauce on them. You want to let the hot sauce come to a boil, because see, people don't realize when hot sauce is cold, it's thick. It's formulated. That's why when you pour hot sauce over your chicken and it's cold, it's all thick and gooey like barbecue sauce. That ain't how it should be. When you warm hot sauce up, this is how it begins to look. It begins to look like soupy, almost like watery. But it's not watery, it's just because you're cooking it, you're putting some heat to it. So with that being said, what you want to do is take the wings out from the pot, put them over in the hot sauce in a safe manner. A clean and effective, safe manner. You don't want to make no oil spills, none of that. Once you do that, you put them in the pot, stir them up, ready to serve. Let's go. Okay, well, there we go with the finished product right here. There you have it. The full 360 of that. That's my hot wing recipe.